Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman-American's YouTube channel. Now we're going to have a little flashback about many years ago. This is when ADSB was all brand new. Somebody posted on the Grumman Gang a link to a place where you could buy a Raspberry Pi, and then you could buy a TV stick that came with an antenna. And when you got those together, there was a website where you could download the software, program it into the little small memory chip, put it into the Raspberry Pi, plug in the Vilros TV receiver, hook up the antenna, wirelessly connect to your iPad, and Shazam! When an airplane flew overhead back in the day when only commercials had ADSB, you could pick them up on your iPad right then and there. So stay tuned while we talk a little bit more about this shenanigans. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now, it's not a complicated system at all, and even the TV receiver, it's normally made for picking up television channels on your computer. It's by RoHS compliant. It's a digital TV stick, and it has a remote. Anyway, that's what you bought. It was about $29, and it was available at Home Depot or Lowe's or something like that. The Raspberry Pi we ordered online. We downloaded the software, we programmed up the chip, and we put it all together, and Shazam, we had ADSB out capability. And this was before it was required in all aircraft. And so the only time you could really see an airplane with ADSB would be when a jetliner would fly over your house. They were already compliant. And then there was the Raspberry Pi, the Vilros that we bought, and that's the quick start guide. It has 1 gig of memory. We just bought a minimum Raspberry Pi, and then you take the little small memory chip, you download the software and program it, you insert it in the Raspberry Pi, and when it's hooked up to the television dongle there with its little antenna, you will start picking up ADSB. Now, it's a smaller memory chip. You can see where the little one went, and that was the adapter for the bigger one, but we used that little memory chip right there to download the software and put that into the Raspberry Pi. And then here's the Vilros TV receiver. It's just a USB dongle normally made for your computer. It has a microwave adapter for the antenna, and it has a little antenna. And with that, you can pick up over-the-air broadcast television, digital or analog. So, ladies and gentlemen, here was just a little thing that showed up on the Grumman Gang about 10 years ago. We put it together, and we had a lot of fun with it. We hope you found this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have fun playing with your toys and your airplane.